Hi there. Today we'll show you how to collect your KED samples using your at-home collection kit. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's get started by laying out all of our components for the blood collection sample. Fill out your collection card. Write your name and today's date on the card before collecting your sample. Next, fill out all of the information on the biohazard bag provided. This will be used to contain your blood sample once it's collected and ready to ship. Next, let's get the blood flowing. Warm your hands by running them under warm water or rubbing them together. You can also shake your hands below your waist or move around a bit, jump, shake, or even dance to help improve circulation. Now choose a finger. Use your middle or ring finger and clean the tip of your finger with the alcohol wipe provided in your kit. Next, use the lancet. Twist off the lancet cap. You won't see the needle. Press the lancet firmly against the side of your fingertip to puncture the skin. Let the first drop of blood fall onto the gauze. Now collect your sample. Fill each circle on the card with blood. Be careful not to touch or tap the card. Gently squeeze your finger downwards to help the blood flow. Give extra drops if needed. Be sure to fill each circle entirely to ensure the sample is sufficient for lab testing. Once you're finished, apply the bandage to your finger. Then allow the collection card to dry for at least 45 minutes. Blood that appears to be soaked through to the back of the card is a good sign that the test was done properly. While your blood sample dries, let's move on by laying out all of your urine sample collection components. Begin by unscrewing the cap of the collection cup. Do not touch the bottom of the cap. Fill the cup with your first morning urine. Once the cup is filled, screw the cap back on tightly. Remove the sticker on top covering the cap needle and stick it to the side of the cup. Do not touch the needle. Then, without touching the cap of the collection tube, place the tube upside down on the needle and firmly press down. The tube should fill with urine. Put the sticker back on the cup cap and discard the cup. Fill in your information. Write your name and today's date on the urine tube. Then fill out all of the information on the biohazard bag. Now it's time to package your sample. Place the tube into the biohazard bag included in your kit. Seal the bag carefully. Place it in the box. If the blood test sample is dry, be sure to include the completed test sample in the box as well. Next, place the box into the return mailer provided in your kit and seal the mailer. Finally, mail your samples as soon as possible, preferably within 1 day of collection, to ensure the lab receives viable samples. Thank you for completing your sample.